To the pandemic response now, starting tomorrow, Hamilton and Halton will be placed in the red control category of COVID-19 restrictions. Hamilton public health officials are meeting tonight to finalize the details of the plan moving forward, leaving much uncertainty for a local economy. Jason Gaidola has the latest.
You won't see a crowd like this during NFL Sunday at End Zone Bar and Grill in East Hamilton after today.
You only can have 10 people at a time, so we're going to try to do it hourly and maybe get people coming in. We're not even sure if we can do that yet.
Co-owner Greg Korpanicki says ownership will be having a big meeting as Hamilton's set to enter the red control zone category tomorrow. He says he doesn't feel the region should be under the new restrictions at this point, and employee layoffs are likely on the way.
We got a capacity of 355 people. The place down there, they got a capacity of 30 and they can have 10 people. It doesn't make sense to me.
Hamilton Public Health said officials were not available for an interview, but a meeting was held today regarding protocol changes. The enhanced restrictions are coming to Hamilton and Halton, and health officials are urging residents to stay home as much as they can and only leave for essentials. Under the province's modified color tier framework, the red zone will include new guidelines such as no more than 10 people inside a restaurant, no games at sports and recreational centers, and mandatory screening at shops and malls. Earlier this week, Premier Doug Ford says moving forward, the framework is a baseline for local health authorities.
And within any jurisdiction, the medical officer of health can add additional protocols, guidelines, so on and so forth. But at least we know where you're at based on the numbers.
In Hamilton, there are 400 active cases, many of them in long-term care where outbreaks are declared. In Halton, there are 515 active cases, and in the Niagara region, they're dealing with 206 infections. CHCH News reached out to all health units and asked about the potential for additional restrictions, but did not receive responses.
I'm trying to get a lot of things in before things close, and hopefully it doesn't get any worse.
December is our #1 month of the year. It helps our whole year.
Now, the city of Hamilton says that the Board of Health will hold a meeting tomorrow morning, and they will have more details regarding the red zone control category. That's expected to be covered, as well as information on council's decision to publicize business information on COVID-related offenses, and also a recap of the COVID-19 activity here in Hamilton since March 11th.